to eat?
I don't know.
Because depending on what you want to eat, I'm gonna drive a different way. Evacuating on for Hurricane Milton.
The water's already in the yard.
Really?
It hasn't even started. It's just because of the rain. It just keeps coming up. And it's nowhere else to go. The water is already in the yard. The curbside.
I want to get some lion's mane.
It's a
jackfruit? That's not good.
That smells bad.
It's not good.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that is.
You guys want to stand there?
Stand back here.
West Side Market! West Side Market!
Don't do that.
What? It's really the Indians.
Rocket Mortgage Field House, home of the Cavs and
It's stupid they made them change their name.
This is one of my favorite spots. Right up here, it's just so windy. I apologize, I haven't made a video in a long time. I know, I've been slacking. But a lot's been going on over here, and I can't lie about that. We've had a hurricane come by. We're on the gator boat today. It's really windy, so I don't know what our fishing's gonna look like. I think it's been 2 or 3 months since I made a YouTube video. Oh, just had a bite right there. And it's more just I really have no content to make, you know, and that is an excuse. I can make content, and daily vloggers and stuff like that, they come out with content all the time. I'm not that type of guy, you know. I have to be doing something. I have to be enjoying myself to make a YouTube video, like being out here fishing. Like I like capturing those moments and putting those moments on YouTube. All right, I've come to the conclusion that we're probably just gonna make a sit down and talk boat video, because this is annoying. That's a cool pontoon boat right there. Florida's been pretty cool. Definitely been different than what I'm used to, I will say. You get to wake up with palm trees every day. The only issue is the hurricane shit sucks, because I had a great job and now I'm out of that job. But it is what it is, you know, it's just how life goes. I will tell you though, you're gonna see a lot of boat videos in the future, because this is my joy in Florida. This is where I find my joy. All right, here's a better fishing video for you guys. Hopefully we'll actually catch some fish here and have some decent content for you, rather than a bunch of wind. Now it is windy here, so I can't promise it's gonna be good, but we'll see what it's like, and hopefully we don't get kicked out too. I can't tell if something's got it or something's... Oh. There we go. Oh, I got a turtle, god damn it. That's sad. Alright. We'll have to help this guy out. So this is my ghetto setup, I call it. We got the cheap pole just laying on the ground because we don't have a rod holder. Oh, just had a bite. I think we did at least. Sucks we caught a turtle. The one fish of the day.
Young boy done me bad when it did you wrong.
New species.
Young boy done me bad when it did you wrong. And I got high.
Alligator dry.
Lord, I got high. Now I got a bone to pick with you. And I'm sure
Now we're on our way to Hungry Howie's. And yeah, we're gonna get some dinner. Only 2 fish tonight. Which honestly isn't that bad. I was fishing with shrimp for the first time. And they're pretty decent. I had some kids that were over there that weren't too happy about me fishing in their spot, but they said, Papa found a new fish at the spot.